Have you ever needed to send a large amount of money, like hundreds of thousands of dollars, euros, pounds, or even millions? If you found it too complicated, I completely understand. Over the years, banks have made us believe that sending money is complex. And when the payment involves currency conversion, it becomes even more intricate. Here at Wise, we made it easier. With over 12 years in the market, we've earned a reputation for features that enhance your money management opportunities. One of these features is money transfers. We're known for offering mid-market exchange rates with zero hidden charges, transparent fees, high speeds, and a user-friendly experience. Today, we're going to explore the process of making a large transfer. Sending money this way is quite similar to a regular transaction, but there are some nuances to keep in mind. I'm Dante from Wise. Let's dive right in. A few housekeeping points. Firstly, it's essential to understand your banking limits, meaning how much will your bank allow you to send in one go, or if they require you to go in person to initiate the transfer to Wise. Secondly, keep in mind that before you can start sending transfers, your account needs to be fully verified. This can take between 2 to 3 working days. This is a standard process for a regulated financial institution and ensures your money's safety. Failure to do so can add another layer, leading your transfer to taking longer than necessary. You can find more information on getting verified via the link in the description. Now, your main questions are probably, how much can I send? How long does a transfer take? And how much will the transaction cost? You don't need to search long for the answers because we have a very handy calculator on our main page and in the app. The link to the wise.com page is here and also in the description. Here, you can choose the currency you want to send from and the recipient's currency. Enter the amount you want to send, or you can insert the exact amount the recipient will get. We'll show you the fees and provide a breakdown of the exchange rate. With Wise, you always get the mid-market exchange rates with zero hidden charges. We'll also show you how much you could potentially save with Wise compared to sending money with banks or other alternatives. Speed also matters, so we'll show you the estimated time of arrival. You can play around with the calculator to understand the limits. For example, you can enter 1 million British pounds to euro, which is possible to send with Wise. You can see all the information as usual, but if you wanted to send, let's say, 4 million euros to US dollars, you'll need to top up your euro balance first, convert it to US dollar balance, and send the money to your recipient's US dollar bank account. With your Wise account, you can hold money in 40 plus currencies and convert between them at the mid-market exchange rate whenever you need. To add money to your balance, choose the currency you want to top up, tap Add, and follow the steps. Back to the calculator. Let's say you want to buy the most expensive car in the world and need to transfer 28 million British pounds, US dollars, or for example, euros. In this case, we suggest you contact us. Our team is here to assist you with such requests. To learn more about limits, please visit our help center and type Guide to Transfers in the currency of your choice. Registration and verification. Now let's get to setting up the transfer. If you're not registered yet, tap the link here or in the description to complete the quick sign-up process. If you're on your mobile device, consider using the app for convenience. Once you're in the app, click on the Send button. Enter the amount you want to transfer or the amount you want your recipient to get. Enter the recipient details or choose the recipient you added before. Review the transfer details and pick the payment method to complete your transfer. As this is a large transfer, we may need to understand the source of your funds or how the money accumulated. This information we need can vary slightly depending on whether it's a business or personal account. Business account verification. If you're sending from your business account, the documents you provide should have your business name, issue dates, signatures if applicable, and your business income. For example, if your business's main source of wealth is revenue, it's common to request 4 to 5 months of external bank statements to establish the source of wealth. Ensure you upload the most recent statements showing all activity with nothing redacted, including the bank account number, statement dates, bank logos, business account name, and so on. Pro tip, if there's any unusually large deposits, include supporting documentation such as invoices, contracts, or service agreements. Let's say that the main source of wealth is coming from investments. In that case, a share sale certificate, subscription agreement, equity agreement, or even an asset sales agreement may do the trick. Just be sure that they include the business's name, account number, dates, and amounts. Or what if the source of wealth is a loan? In this situation, a simple loan agreement would suffice. Just be sure that the business's name, amounts, and dates are shown. Keep in mind that these are not all the examples of possible source of wealth options. More examples and information can be found here. When sending documents on a personal account, the main difference will be that instead of ensuring that the business's name is listed, you'll want to ensure that your name and your information is visible. In terms of personal accounts, let's say, for example, you're purchasing a home. In this scenario, a sales agreement and/or a letter from a solicitor, auditor, or regulated accountant would suffice. Just be sure that the date you received the money, the amount you received, signatures of the parties involved, and the address of the property is showing. Another common document is a payslip if you accumulated your money through salary. In this situation, you'd want to make sure that the documents show your monthly or annual salary, your employer's name, your employer's address, and the dates you received the salary payments. Make sure you have at least 3 months of bank account statements showing these deposits. It's important to note that we don't accept formats beside PDF, JPEG, or PNG. Make sure you upload the full document with no pages or sections missing. Now we've come to the fun part, where we take all the information we've learned and apply it. If you have any questions left, let us know in the comments. And remember, WISE is much more than just money transfers. So check out this video all about WISE features. Stay tuned for more. Until next time.